Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is very interesting and it is about comparison between three AI languages, that is ChatGPT, Bard and Bing. So why I'm making this video, because as we all know that we had ChatGPT, that is AI language, and now Google and Microsoft also introduce their AI language, that is Bard and Bing. So how this chat GPT works, that we have any question, any query, we have to ask them, and these have a answer like this. And now Google also introducing Bard. So what is Bard? Let me tell you. So Bard is an AI language model developed by Google that is capable of human-like test, that is not only grammatically correct but also natural sounding. So what is the advantage of Google Bard? That is, Google Bard gives us a latest update that is about 2023, but when we see about ChatGPT, that doesn't give the latest update of 2023. So next we have ChatGPT, which is also developed by OpenAI, and it is one of the largest models of the world. And about ChatGPT, I must say that it have a high accuracy, plus it complete all its tasks. So finally we have Bing, which is of a Microsoft search engine. This is also an AI language model, and it will also work like exactly same as Bard and ChatGPT. So we are looking forward of Bing and Bard, that how they works. When we talk about ChatGPT, it get 100 million plus users in just 2 months, and that is a huge. And the biggest difference between Bard and ChatGPT is that Bard is natural, giving answers, and ChatGPT is some like robotic. Plus also I also include that today's script also get from ChatGPT, and I highly recommend to you all to use ChatGPT. It will help you a lot. Now we will see that how these works in Eclipse, and you can see here. So we have to search anything like what are some of the best tips for new golfers looking so get great at this sport. So we will get our answer in a very good explanation. So there it you have a comparison between three AI languages, that is Bard, Bing and ChatGPT. These all three AI languages have their strength and weaknesses, and you can work according to your specific needs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.